Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Breland here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do reading messages on episode and how to do kissing. So before we get started, please like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after you do so. Let's get started. So first thing we're going to work on is kissing. So kissing is very simple. Basically, I had this little scene where my character Chloe did something special for my character named Luke. First thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to preview that so I can do some spot directing. So as you can see, they're just staying right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Directing Helper and then Spot Helper. And then I'm going to move him to be right here. And then I'm going to move her to be right here. And I want her to be behind him, so that's all good. It's all perfect right there. And that's basically it. So now I'm going to change the character. I'm going to copy this whole thing. And then I'm going to put this here. And then I'm going to walk to, I'm going to say, Luke walks to spot, blah, 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 and then in 2. I want to take 2 seconds to walk to that spot, and I'm going to do the same thing with Chloe's, and Chloe walks to then this spot, copy, and paste that in 2. And then I'm gonna write at Luke is rear, and then at Luke is kiss dip rear, and then and Chloe is kiss dip receive. And that's basically it. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do some reader messages. Reader messages are very, very, very simple. All you really have to write is reader message, and then whatever you want to say. So I'm going to say, Luke will remember this night forever. And that's basically it. It's very, very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and work this little scene, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I fixed my mistakes, so let's go ahead and see what that looks like. That's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, please like it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after you do so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.